Welcome to the OpenEdge Command Center. Let's take a few minutes to explore the interface and walk through some key features. This is the Command Center dashboard. From here you can view discovered resources such as Command Center agents, OpenEdge databases, and paths for OpenEdge instances. You can review and act on the banner notifications and access quick links. To quickly access your agents, paths for OpenEdge instances, OpenEdge databases, and more, use the sidebar menu. In this video, you explore each tab and see what you can do with it. Before getting started, let's take care of the banner notification. It alerts you to an outstanding task. As a super administrator, the first task you complete is to configure your email settings. After that, you can create new users and manage your OpenEdge Command Center deployments. From the banner notification, click the Email Settings link to open Email Settings. Provide the SMTP hostname and port number. To enable HTTPS connections, select the Secure Connection checkbox. Alternatively, you can use Start TLS options to customize your connection. If your email server requires authentication, select the Enable SMTP Authentication checkbox. Now send a test email to ensure that your connection is valid. Click Save when you're done, and your email settings are configured. You can manage users from the Users tab. The permissions that a user has are dependent on the user's role. To create a new user, specify their name, email, username, and an optional description. Then, choose a role from the list and click Save. Super administrators can perform actions on OpenEdge Command Center, including changing the user roles. An administrator has all the powers of a super administrator except assigning a super administrator role. Next, let's talk about the Command Center Agents tab. Here you can view and manage the agents linked to your OpenEdge deployments. When you link your agent to the Command Center, the agent automatically discovers paths for OpenEdge instances and the running OpenEdge databases, and then connects them to the Command Center. You can edit the name and labels associated with the agent by clicking its name. You can also unregister an agent from the Actions menu when it's offline. Unregistering an agent removes the agent along with any associated paths for OpenEdge instances and OpenEdge databases. On the OpenEdge Databases tab, you have full control over the database connections. Let's explore what you can do. You can add new database connections or edit the existing ones, including the automatically discovered ones. When you're ready to manage your connections, the Actions menu lets you effortlessly start, stop, or delete any connection. If you select any database, a database section labeled with the name of the selected database appears at the bottom of the page. After logging in, you can view schema, users, and roles. On the Paths for OpenEdge Instances tab, you can add new instances or manage the ones automatically discovered by the Command Center. To create a new instance, specify the instance name, the OpenEdge installation that it uses, and any label that you want to associate with this instance. You select your security model, instance directory, and port information. Then enter the Apache Tomcat Manager credentials. To manage ABL or web applications on a Paths for OpenEdge instance, start by selecting the checkbox next to the instance. The Applications section appears, displaying the ABL applications. From here, you can deploy or undeploy applications, edit ABL application properties, or select an ABL application to view its associated web application along with its details such as path, service count, and the status of the 4 transports. Now let's take a look at the ABL Applications tab. This tab allows you to manage ABL applications deployed across multiple Paths for OpenEdge instances, along with their associated web applications and REST services. It displays a list of ABL applications and the paths for OpenEdge instances on which they're deployed. From here you can deploy or undeploy ABL or web applications and edit the properties of an ABL application by clicking its name. The Web Applications pane displays the web applications associated with the selected ABL application. The details of these web applications are shown on separate cards, which you can sort by name or service count. The Services pane displays the services deployed on the selected web application. The details of these services are also shown on separate cards. As activity occurs across your deployment, you can stay up to date by clicking the bell icon to view notifications. Whenever you need to find the details of your OpenEdge Command Center server or OpenEdge Command Center database configuration, go to OECC System Settings. It displays an in-depth report about your database and the servers that are connected to your Command Center deployment. This concludes our first look at OpenEdge Command Center. For more information, visit docs.progress.com and search for OpenEdge Command Center.